Ah!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 Mina. Ang ating MVP last pamawis run. Sa bantay po, wait lang po pa-extend lang ng kahit konti. Foul, first team foul. Labas na po. 3-0. First team foul. 3. No good. Rebound by Sir Jerry. Sir Pat, 2 points. Pat Jersey, 3-2. 9 minutes and 5. Out of bounds. Foul. Second team foul. First team foul. Sorry. Labas na po. Good ball. Two points. Good job. Change favor. 4-3. Second team foul. 4-3. Lamang isa. 8 minutes and 16.
Ilan pa? Dalawa kasi sa akin si Jay. Ay, wala may pwede GH ulit. Pagaling eh. Gamitin mo na muna sa akin.
Bente, ha?
Sa akin ano?
30 foul. 30 foul. Thank you so much.
Ingat, boss.
Thank you so much. Catalino, Bien, Kenneth, my idol Yage, and Mr. Number 1. Change favor, 5-4. 7 minutes and 30. Don't jump. Change favor again, 6-5. Change favor again, 7-6. Change favor again, 8-7. Out of bounds. 8-7 lamang team D. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Change favor again. Ayan na, last kiss na. Nag-ring na. Nag-ring na. Low. Okay. Salamat. Na 10-9 na mga isa. So nagbabantay po ng ilaw. Wait lang po G, wait lang G All ba G? Tabusin lang. Tabusin. Sige. Warning for penalty.